All right, so we're back at the chute. We've got a pretty crazy wind drift right up the middle of the chute here.
There it goes. Yeah. So that was 16.
That's good.
So right there.
Where's the last time? There, yeah.
There's another one.
Yeah. Yeah!
Yeah! Is that a yeehaw?
That's a yeehaw. Yeah!
Well, there you have it.
I just filmed this whole segment a second ago and realized the mic was turned off, I think. So, yeah, I'm going to consider that climbed, I think. Only reason I wasn't able to completely ride out was that tree right there, but kind of caught me a little bit. Needed a little ski pull right in here. Right in there. But other than that, I rode it out through the trees right here. First time the sled's actually been out over the top of this chute. But obviously I would have loved to have climbed out over the middle of it and just rode right out over the top. But I'm going to consider this climbed. It made it. Yeah, feels good to finally have it climbed. I can stop thinking about it now.
So close.
Stuck? Good.
Oh no, that's a ski. Never mind. He just popped his ski bushing out. Oh yeah, look at that.
We got tools for that.
Big oof.
Yep, force it.
I got the bushing.
Nice.
Oh man, what a day. That was overall a really awesome day with a really awesome crew. I got to ride with three new riders. Well, not new riders to sledding, but three new people that I've never met before, so that was really cool. All around, a great group of guys. Yeah, finally made it over that chute. It wasn't pretty, but we technically did it, so feels good to have that one finally accomplished. But yeah, another thing that happened today that made my day was I was actually recognized from my YouTube channel from another sledder. That was really cool. If you ever see me out on the mountain, feel free to come say hi. It's really cool meeting you guys. So yeah, I guess if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we're almost back to pavement here, so yeah, gonna be riding again Sunday, I think. Not sure how much I'll film, but should hopefully get a video's worth, maybe. So that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.